What is good, YouTube, and to my card world family? It is your guy once again, Udell 12, aka Bubba, and guys, I am back with another card unboxing. And today, as you can see, I have the Dunruss basketball 2019-2020 blaster, and that's the blaster exclusive. And of course, we're going for. We're looking for this guy here. And you should say you will get find one autograph or memorabilia card per box on average. So, and I've already pulled this rookie card before. So I got a nice amount of Zions. So I'm happy about that. But in the past, I've gotten these boxes and I've gotten the hanger packs, and man, I've been doing really good with these. So, before we get started, I always like to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, because without him, I am nothing. And guys, as you can see, you have 88 cards per box, 11 per pack, 8 cards per 11 packs per box. I'm sorry, 8 cards per pack. So there's your eyes there, right there. Not gonna read them because it'll take forever, but we're gonna get through these cards and let's roll with it. Lego, let's do it. So, of course, we want all the rookie class out of all these Dunruss packs. So, definitely gonna look for those. And we're gonna see what we can get out this box here. So we'll just set that back there. And these are your packs here, guys. Let's see if we can find that. Alright, this may be it right here. I'm gonna say that's the specialty. Get that tag out of there. But, man, hit my tripod. Oh, geez. Let's see. Alright, so. Alright, we're back, guys. I apologize for that. Hit my tripod all over the place. So we'll just keep those right there. Side. Let's dive into pack one. See what we got. Alright, let's go. And I'm gonna go through these pretty fast, guys. So may not read a lot because we got a lot to go through. So I may not read through a lot of the bases. So just gonna skip through. Okay, starting off. Complete players. We got a Luka Doncic. Nice. I'm sorry, too high for you guys right there. Complete player, Luka Doncic. We're gonna go ahead and gonna sleeve him because we know this dude cards just done went bonkers out there. It's starting to go up even more. So we're gonna go and sleeve him up. Sleeve Luka right there. Let's go ahead and set him up there. We got Okiki, Orlando rookie, Kevin Porter Jr. Put all the rookies right there in the middle. Buddy and Alfred Payton. Not a bad first pack. And we pulled a Luka out there. First pack. So pretty good. Alright, so get adjusted here. Alright, like we got an orange hollow back there. The Kuz, Grant. Got a Kyrie. Ooh, wait. Is that who it? Yes, it is. We got the Ja. That's who we want. That's definitely who we looking for. Let go. And we got a orange halo here. Orange hologram. And I don't know the specific name for these, but we're just gonna call them the orange hologram. But we got the rookie, Ja Morant here, man. This is big right here. So this is nice. So shout out to Ja. Shout out to Ja for the Grizz, man. Definitely gotta go up there and catch some games. But this is man, it's just second pack in, bro. We pull out a Ja Morant rookie orange hologram. So let's see. I don't think it's numbered or anything. Nope. There you go, man. That's what I'm talking about. Sleeve this guy up. So that's what we're looking for. We definitely going in. We want to get these rookies, man. I mean, this job, but if you get a special base rookies, are dope. Or you get the specialty cards, the hologram, I mean, you can't beat it, man. So I'm gonna sleeve him up real quick. So far, so good, guys. These are, and that was at Target. I'm not an ambassador for Target or anything, but that's why I had picked up at Dunruss. So there you go. So we're gonna put him. Let's move these down right here. And the jar is gone. Luca, we gotta get you out the way, brother. Jar done took your spot there. But that's a big pull, man. Big snatch out of there. So that's what's up. No doubt. That Ja Morant, that sucker's sweet right there too. And I'm gonna have to give me some rookie sleeves. I ran out for the moment, but I'll get some more. But that's a big snatch right there. So I'm excited about that one. So no doubt. All right, let's keep going, man. Let's see. We need some more of those. Cameron Johnson, shout out to the Suns, man. That's my team. And he's coming along slowly, coming on along, but we're gonna see how Cameron pans out. Got a Jordan Poole rookie. Siakam Augustine. Nice, man. It's a nice pack. The Blaster exclusive, man. That Ja Morant, I needed that card there. That was big. Super big. Alright, so where we at right now? Let's keep rolling. Yes. Kristaps. That's a Luka. Not Luka Doncic. Samanic. I don't know how he says his name, but we'll put him specialty pal right there. Jared Culver. He's a rookie, so we're gonna put you in the rookie stack. Texas Tech product right there. That's a good player. I got some of his rookie cards. There's Garland. Got some of his also. Anderson and Lillard. Got Dame right there. Let's keep rolling on. My camera gonna keep focused, so I'm gonna rip back here. So you guys can see a little bit there. Bacon, got a book. Franchise features. Got Booker. Matisse Thybulle. I'm gonna say that. I think I'm slowly getting his name right. So it's not a cat from Washington. And playing with the 76ers. So nice. Holding up on rookie. That's what we want. The rookie card. Want some more of them Jives and Zion. Let's pull this Zion. Let's go ahead and get the top 3. Let's do it. That'd be great. Got that Ja Morant rookie though. That's big right there. That orange hollow. That's what's up. Anthony Davis. Clarkstown. Got a LeBron. We're gonna sleeve those up. Got a James. Oh, excuse me, guys. I'm dropping stuff everywhere. There's a James Harden. League leaders. Unnumbered. Oh, he getting buckets. Boye. Good rookie. Jordan Bond. Solid. Knox. Got another Booker. Alright, move some of this stuff. My base cards over there. Rookies. Let's keep going. Alright, let's see. Alright, so. Alright, this is what we got here. Got a Beasley. Another James. Zach Levine. Got Paul George, complete player. Clippers Paul George. Some more rookies. There we go. Cam Reddish. English Brasdikis. Yeah, I'm sure that I didn't say that right, but for New York, Milton Giles. Alright, let's get into it. Let's keep rolling. Let's try to keep this down. Let's go a little quicker for you guys. Alright, so Lou Williams, Jackson, Deadman. There we go. Kobe White, rookie card. I'm pretty solid rookie season. He's gonna be pretty good. Let's see, DeAndre Hunter, another rookie from Virginia to Atlanta. Shout out to my guy Daniel Gafford, Arkansas product, University of Arkansas, and Daniel with Chicago. Man, he's gonna pan out. He's gonna be a nice player in the league. So. He works hard, so he's gonna be a beast. So, shout out to one of the Razorbacks in the league. Daniel Graphic rookie card. All right, we're gonna keep rolling. All right, we got another orange in there. Let's see it from right here. Let's see what do we got. We got a Sacktown. Flip it over. Logan, I'm sorry, brother. It looks like Harry Giles. So we got a Giles, orange. Not bad. Oh, Lego. We got a Zion. It's another rookie one. Another rookie Zion that I needed. So, anytime we get the Zions in the top draft class, we're sleeving these boys up. We're sleeving all of them up, but gotta get that Zion in there. Nice, man. Get your, go ahead and put you in your hard case. That's what's up, man. So we got a Jai and a Zion. So far so good, guys. This can't beat this, but we've been moving pretty good. So Zion Williamson, rated rookie. There you go. So Luka, we're gonna, whether you, I'll probably have to move you right there. So there we go. So far so good, man. Got some more rated rookies. We gotta shout out to Zion, man, down in New Orleans, beasting people down there. Alright, Fournier and Parsons. Let's just set those right there. Next pack. Really enjoyed this blaster. It's a good blaster box, man. And you can pull those 3 that I got back there right now. Jeez. Pretty good. For retail exclusive, so not bad, man. Carter Porter Jr. Terrence Prince. Know what that is? Yep. Franchise, we got a Larry. Baisley, rookie. There's a Luka. And Kelly Oubre. Shout out to them Suns. And Josh Okogie. However they say it. Got him on there, so. Couple more packs. Man, I'm so excited about them about the 2 snatches out of there. So got 3 good snatches out of there. Salute, man. Crab. Got a Knox. Alright, we got Noel, rookie. Red Hachimura for Washington. Played at Gonzaga. He's gonna be pretty good. Having a decent season. DeAndre Ayton, shout out to them Suns, man. Gotta get back on track. Alright, so it's the last pack here. Let's see what we get. We get out this thing. Alright, so got Jeff Green, Chris Dunn. Alright, I don't wanna mess it up, but got Green. That's Chris Dunn, so let's see who this is. I see a little Portland. Let's see what kind of card it is. Jersey card, sweet. Jersey series, Nasir Little. Dope. There it is. Nice. Just set that right there. Looks like we got a LeBron fantasy stars. Very dope. Nice. Let's lay that up. Cal guy. From y'all Langford. Marta Rosen, and we'll finish out with John Wall. So, guys, there you have it right there. So, just a quick little recap. We got a ton of rookies in this blaster. That's the stack of rookies, plus the 2 there, of course, and this one. Specialty cards right here. Oh, I don't want to knock that down. But, we got a base Zion out of there. I'm very excited about that. Very excited about this Ja Morant orange hollow right there. Very nice looking card, man. It's very dope. Very dope card. So pretty sweet. And then we got a Luka base right there. Well, complete players Luka. So we try to stock up on all those. So man, definitely you guys I'm gonna definitely sign out right here, man. So always keep God first and everything. You guys let me know in the comment section what you pull or what you've been pulling at the Dunruss blasters or the hanger packs. Or just let me know what you've been pulling just in any of your other packs. So I'm gonna definitely have more videos on there. Just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And till next time, guys, this has been Udell 12, aka Bubba. This is the Bubba Files. Let go.